Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So on this video I'm going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing this Bosch cordless grass trimmer. Right, so here it is, the Bosch EasyGrassCut 18. I've just bought this from B&Q today here in the UK and I paid £50 for it. So this is a strimmer, a grass cutter for edging small patches of grass, and this unit doesn't come with the battery or the charger, but that's fine because I have those already, because this is part of the Power for All range, the 18-volt system where the chargers and batteries are interchangeable with all the different devices, and there's just a little picture here of all the other devices it works on. So it says 26 centimeters of diameter, it's 2.1 kilos, and it runs off the 18-volt battery. So if we open the box, okay, so we have like the head guard here. So that is, I believe, like a flower guard if you're going up towards some flowers that you don't want to chop up, put the guard out. And this protects your feet or your hands from getting the plastic string. You know, you don't want that to hit you. So plastic guard, and then the main unit itself. So what else is in here? There's just a booklet. A thick booklet, I suppose that's the guarantee and stuff. A 3-year guarantee, brilliant. And the manual. So here we have main unit. It's sort of folded up. Just before assembling it, I've noticed it's got these sort of rubber protectors on it. These things. And I suppose then it will go into position like so. So that's now locked into place, and then there's one more up here to do. There we go. So that's now rigid. So after looking through the manual, I've quickly put it together. There was just one screw, and Phillips head screwdriver was required for that, and that was to add this guard on top here. You can see it already comes with some line or wire, and that's out. There's like a wire cutter here. And there's your flower guard. You go up, you've got 2 connection points that kind of permanently fix in, and then you have this handle which is adjustable with this button. So depending on what you're doing, you can adjust it and it will just stay solid in place. Push both things, goes back, and then here at the top you've got a safety switch and an on button, and you've got this 180-degree button, and when you press that, it allows this whole part here to rotate so that you can go from strimming the grass to going around the edges. So you can turn this around and have a different angle so you can hit along the edge of the grass, and I'll just show how that works later on. It is 86 decibels and 2.1 kilograms. Right, so it's the next morning now, nice sunny day, perfect chance to test this out. I've got the battery in, it's all ready to go.
So it was great to get in all these awkward edges where the lawnmower can't reach. And as I say, because I only have a very small patch of grass, it's not really worth using a lawnmower for. And you can see it deals with those edges no problem. And now I'm just rotating the head with the 180-degree button so that I can go sort of vertically down and cut a nice clean edge. I also have a review video on the hedge cutter version of this, the Bosch Cordless hedge cutter, so I'll leave a link in the description box below for that if you're interested. So when your string is getting worn and you need to increase the length, you can just pop off that plastic cover and then press a button and it pulls out, and then you simply put the plastic cover back on again.
So that's it guys for the test. Would I recommend this cordless grass trimmer? Absolutely, if you want to do your edges, or if you have a really small patch of grass like I do with lots of awkward areas where you can't get your mower in, so it's ideal for that. I've just used it. It probably took me 20 minutes to do my bit of grass, and I've been around all the edges. I've spun the head around on this and used it for edging straight down, and then I've used it just going over it in general. I found the handle to be quite comfortable, and this 180-degree button on here is really useful just to flip the head round really quickly, and it uses the power for all range of batteries. I've got a 2.5 amp hour one in here which I already had, which was plenty enough for what I've just done. Probably get away with a 2 amp hour, maybe even a 1.5 amp hour for a small patch of grass. So if you're looking for a cordless trimmer, this could be a good pickup. Cost me £50 from B&Q here in the UK, and because I already had the chargers and the batteries, it's pretty cheap for me to just pick it up. And if I do run out of power, I've got a spare battery, which you don't always get when you buy one. You usually just get one battery, so really good, lightweight. And you can see I'm just moving it around here really easily. It's got the flower guard. I didn't use that. Pretty easy to use. You get used to it after a while. After about 10 minutes you'll be used to it. And that's about it guys. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like, comment and consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.